Hi people, make Mandazi with me for Sunday breakfast. Welcome Afro Carol Kitchen. If you're new here, keep watching as we are preparing. Because this is Mandazi, I don't overroll, so that's enough. So I'm going to use a knife just to cut it like this. You'll see the piece of pasta cooking. When you put it in the oil, you make sure you turn it immediately, or else it swells up and it makes a hole, and the oil goes inside. It doesn't cook very well. It will be sagging or sogging with oil. So this is our first. Very well. The oil is not very burning, but you need a medium rare. Hi guys, now our Mandazi is ready, so I'm going to cover it up. This is for tomorrow, not for today. So tomorrow this is what we're having for breakfast. So I'll take you along as I make my breakfast tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. Afro Carol Kitchen. If you're new here, my returning subscriber, you're most welcome. I don't take you for granted. I appreciate liking my videos, sharing and commenting. Thank you. Have a good night.